Where to go for a fantastic selection of RVs? The Wildwood, aka the Forest River Wildwood line of towable RVs. Getting more specific, within the Wildwood line is a fantastically popular set of travel trailers and fifth wheels known as the Wildwood Heritage Glen. In this line, you will find RVs designed with what we like to call affordable luxury. Every Wildwood Heritage Glen has, at minimum, a single slide out and a ton of features you won't find in a standard line of RVs. Now, before I get into highlighting some select Wildwood Heritage Glen floor plans, I want to take a walk inside and out with you and scope out some fabulous features. Before we dive right in, just a note. I'm going to be talking about features both the Wildwood Heritage Glen travel trailer and fifth wheel line share, but we'll separate them when I highlight the floor plans. So, off we go. Let's step inside first and check out America's favorite room, the kitchen. A Wildwood Heritage Glen kitchen has an amazing amount of features. Check out the residential stainless steel single bowl undermount sink with roll-up sink cover and high-rise faucet with pull-out sprayer. Great for spraying off them turkeys. Recessed glass stovetop cover, usable for food prep. Midnight glass range hood and matching midnight glass microwave. And matte black cabinet hardware. Let's not forget about that fridge, because they're very large. Your standard fridge in a Wildwood Heritage Glen travel trailer is 10.7 cubic feet. And for the fifth wheel, you'll find a 14 cubic foot French door fridge. That's a lot of room for my cold cut so I can make my delectable sandwiches. Now, as for comfort, you're going to find an upgraded insulation package, a 32-inch glass front electric fireplace, plus a high-efficiency AC cooling system utilizing a 15K ducted AC system with quick cool as well. Fifth wheels are also prepped with wire and brace for a second AC in the bedroom. Your views will include an XL max tent panoramic window in the main slide to see a ton of the great outdoors, but not the outdoors seeing you. And for indoors, you get a huge LED TV with some sweet sound, a Bluetooth, CD, DVD, FM, USB player, and bar speakers. The majority of the Wildwood Heritage Glen models have a 50-inch TV. Dang, that's awesome, right? So what else will you find inside of a Wildwood Heritage Glen? How about herringbone designer choice Congolium flooring, a central switch center, and a porcelain toilet. Select models will also have washer-dryer prep. Stepping outside, we find all Wildwood Heritage Glen models have some great visible features, including Texas-size pass-through storage with baggage door magnets and easy pull slam latches. Power awning with LED lighting, plus there's LED lighting in the front cap, marker, and tail lights. For your pet, you'll find a very convenient pet tether / security hookup. As far as setting up camp quickly and keeping your Wildwood Heritage Glen from rocking, you'll get power stabilizer jacks. Travel trailers will have the power tongue jack, and fifth wheels will have power landing gear. All models are also prepped for a backup camera, as well as a roof-mounted solar panel. Other great exterior features include a spare tire and carrier, and heated and enclosed dump valves and underbelly with 12-volt heating pads on all holding tanks. Most models also come equipped with the Accessibelly. It's the removable underbelly panels that makes accessing those tanks a lot easier. The roof is solidly constructed and includes a PVC membrane. The structural integrity includes vacuum bonded Alumaframe sidewalls and floor. All models have a cambered chassis with a powder-coated I-beam frame. The walls have 2-inch construction with no more than 16 inches on center studs. Like I'm a stud, but I'm not in center. Models with a slide out will have that slide constructed with a triple seal as well as a 13-ply cross micro laminated beam header. On the front, you'll get an aerodynamic front radius profile with a smooth aluminum front cap. On top, a roof. To be exact, you get a one-piece Superflex roof that comes with a 15-year manufacturer defect warranty. Now, Let's dig into a few Wildwood Heritage Glen floor plans, shall we? Starting with the travel trailers, let's move right into the efficiently designed 22 RBHL. We are talking a well put together travel trailer for the camping couple here. Lightweight at less than 5,500 pounds dry, you'll find both a linen and wardrobe closet in the bathroom, a tri-fold chaise lounge in the living area, and a walk-in pantry. Need room for the family? The 310 BHI might just be your ticket. It's a fantastic bunkhouse model that can sleep up to 7. You'll find a private bunk room with 2 bunks and a sofa converting into a queen bed. Opposing slide-outs expand the living area that includes a kitchen island and a large walk-in pantry. The 310 BHI also has washer-dryer prep. For Wildwood Heritage Glen fifth wheels, you'll find some great options, including these for the family. The 356 QB can sleep 8 and has a large private bunk room with opposing slide-outs, plus has its own private full bath in the back with direct access from the exterior. Up front, you'll find the master bedroom with its king bed and a slide-out, a closet covering the front cap that has washer-dryer prep. Outside, there's a kitchen with a bar. Sweet! How about a mid-bunk model? Well, that's where the 370BL comes in. It can sleep up to 10 happy campers. The private mid-bunk room has a queen convertible sofa and a loft above the room. In the back, you'll find opposing slides, a kitchen island, and an entertainment center with a 50-inch TV. A bunkhouse that's not a bunkhouse? The 378FL is a large front living fifth wheel that acts like a bunkhouse. The front living area has opposing slide-outs with tri-fold sofas and a large entertainment center in the cab. The mid-kitchen also has opposing slide-outs to allow room for a large kitchen island. In the rear, the master bedroom has a king bed and a slide, and a bunk area above it accessible by stairs. The 378FL can sleep up to 8. A great floor plan is the Sleeping 6 36FL Wildwood Heritage Glen Elite. Within its nearly 44 feet of length, you'll find a front living space with opposing slides holding tri-fold sofas and a massive entertainment center in the cab. The mid-kitchen has a large slide-out, breakfast bar, and adjoining half bath. The rear section is a master suite complete with a rear bath with a residential walk-in shower and a roomy king bed in its own slide. So as you can see, what you'll get from the Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen line is a wide variety of luxurious yet affordable travel trailer and fifth wheels to choose from. So whether you're all set for camping with just you and your compadre or with the family, I mean, come on, regardless of which Wildwood Heritage Glen you choose to find your fit and your RV family's needs, I'm confident you'll absolutely love it. Happy camping and good luck.